Hi, I'm glad you made it over to our website. My name is Chris and welcome to the One-on-One Professional Business Training website. Now, I'm glad you made it over here. I'm going to tell you about your $30 discount very shortly and how to get it. But let me tell you a bit about my company. My company actually provides first aid training in both Brisbane and in Townsville. In Townsville, we're actually located in Aikenvale on Ross River Road. In Brisbane, we've got a number of big locations. We do training on Russell Island, we do it at two big locations in Redlands, we've got a training location at Sandgate and also our other training location at Logan Home. So you are sure to find a place where you can do a first aid course with us. And you know what? We're actually developing more sites very soon, so keep an eye out on our website. Now, there's lots of different first aid courses that you can actually do with us. So which one's right for you? Well, if you're in the special industry of childcare, daycare or family daycare, there is a special course for you, and that's called the HLT AID 004 course. That's specifically for childcare and it focuses on issues like CPR, anaphylaxis, asthma, which you actually need to have. For everybody else, the best first aid course to do is the HLT AID 003 Provide First Aid. So that's the one that you're going to need if you're going to be a first aid officer, if you're working in the personal training industry, if you're actually just going to be a first aider in your workplace. That's the one that you actually want. But just remember, every 3 years you need to do your first aid course, but every 12 months you need to do your CPR refresher to keep your first aid current. So what's the right CPR? Well, the CPR course you need to do is the HLT AID 001 Provide CPR. Now, each course costs something a little bit different. So your first aid course will normally cost you $110. But hey, just remember, first aid also includes the CPR, so you don't have to pay two lots of money. If you want your CPR course, the CPR course is just $60. And if you're doing that special course, HLT AID 004, we've made sure it's the same as a normal first aid course, so it's just $110. Alright, now I did promise you if you're doing a first aid course that you could save $30. Well, here's the secret. When you book into our website, you'll see a little section there that says discount code. If you enter the discount code V30, that's right, Victory 30, we will actually give you $30 off. So you just type in the V with a 3 and a 0, and that will save you $30 off your first aid course. I know, I can hear it. What if I'm just doing my CPR? Do you want a discount too? Alright, well I'll do this just for you. So if you're doing a CPR refresher course, you can do it for just $50. That's $15 off by putting in the code V15. So V30 for first aid, V15 for CPR. Now how's that for a great deal? Well, I look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming first aid courses. My name's Chris. If you ever have any issues, give us a call on 1800 6600 00 or just come back to our website, choose the chat button, and we'll be happy to help with any questions you've actually got. So thank you for visiting our website, and I'll see you at one of our courses.